Alright, so in this video I want to take a quick look at this vacuum cleaner designed to be used in the car. It actually comes with quite a bit of information on here. 70 decibel, 150 watt, 12 volt. So let's see what this actually includes, and then we'll take it out, try to vacuum out a little bit of dirt in the car, see how well it actually works. Alright, so we have a HEPA filter. Very generous cord. Of course, it plugs into the accessory port in your car. Very quick and easy to detach when you need to empty it out. And that looks like the same filter, so 2 filters. That's very nice. Dust cap comes off the end there for emptying the reservoir when it's full. So changing and emptying both look to be pretty easy. Alright, let's pop back into place. So we got our power button here. Just slide back and forth. See what else we have. Small cleaning brush. A nice little storage bag with a handle. That's pretty nice. Definitely does make it easier to make it portable. We've got an attachment hose to extension. A small brush. That'd be good getting into the vents around the radio, cup holder, small areas. Got a crevice type tool. That'd be good for in between the seats and under the seats. And it looks like we have another extension, but this is a rigid extension instead of a flexible extension, so that's kind of cool too. And last, we have a user guide, a little user manual. That's it. Alright, well, let's take this outside and see what it looks like in use, see what it sounds like, and just make sure it can actually do the job it's intended to do. Alright, so time to put this to the test. I've got a little bit of grass over here, a little bit of dirt, a couple of little, like really small pebbles, actually one somewhat larger pebble over here. So this is a typical scenario, I would think. Got a little bit of dirt over there in the corner. So let's see how this operates. I've got the crevice attachment so I can get some of these little corners. Now some of this dirt's probably locked in here from being wet in the past, so I don't expect it to get that, but all the loose stuff, I do expect to see it pick it up. So as a whole, it worked. It even got the large pebble. It couldn't fit through the crevice tool. The only thing that remains is stuff that's been stained because of water over the time that I've had it. So that's it. It actually works pretty well. It seems to pick up even the larger items. It tried to pick up the rock, so it did a good job. All right, so that's a quick demonstration, give you an idea of just what this thing is capable of.